Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine sitting with someone, your partner, your child, your best friend, but instead of speaking, you just think, and they instantly understand you. Your emotions, your thoughts, your memories, all transferred, purely, effortlessly. No miscommunication, no need to explain now. Imagine an AI doing the same, not by typing, not by talking, but by directly exchanging ideas and goals, instantly across machines or even between minds. It sounds like science fiction, but with the rise of brain-computer interfaces and advanced AI, this future may not be far away. So here's the question, is language still the best way to communicate? Language is arguably humanity's greatest invention. It allowed us to share stories, build civilizations, encode laws, and now, teach machines. But let's be honest, language is also painfully slow. It's ambiguous, and it's often inadequate to fully capture what we feel or imagine. Have you ever struggled to describe a dream, or failed to express grief, or love, or intuition? Words fall short. Today's AI, even the most advanced models like ChatGPT or Claude, still operate through language. They learn from text, they communicate in sentences. We prompt them, and they respond, just like a conversation. But this may be inherently limiting, because language for all its beauty is a bottleneck. What if AI could learn directly from thoughts, emotions, intentions, without translating everything into words? Enter Neuralink. Elon Musk's company is working to link the human brain directly to machines. Imagine typing with your thoughts, controlling devices through neural signals. Or one day, sending a memory to someone else, like an email. That's not a movie script. That's the stated ambition of real-world companies. What if AI could think in raw concepts? Not apple, red, or fruit, but the sensation, the image, the smell, encoded in pure data. This kind of communication could be faster, richer, and maybe even more accurate than language. AIs could exchange goals, simulate futures, share experiences instantly. No need for translation, no need for metaphor, just thought. Maybe language is just a stepping stone. Maybe it's like training wheels, useful until we find something better. But maybe it's more than that. Maybe words are the very soul of what it means to be conscious. As AI grows more powerful, we're forced to ask, do we want machines to speak like us, or do we want them to think beyond us? If this episode sparked something in you, subscribe to Incomplete Intelligence. We dive deep into the future of AI, not just the technology, but what it means for us.